Guys, this is FPVist coming to show you the XM Plus receiver of FrSky. What we're gonna do here is opening of this great product. Now what I'm doing here is actually a review for a full set of full race drone from Gearbest, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna review all those products here. So what we have here is the XM Plus. Let's open it. It's very small. It's one of the best receivers that I know in the market. I use it already for many drones that I have. Let's see if we're no. Okay, so first of all, what we have here is connector that if we want to connect the receiver with those connectors, we can, to servo connector, servo cable. So we have those two. I don't really use it usually. I just connect the wires up here. First of all, this receiver, as you can see, is tiny. Is very small. Now, the disadvantage it has that it doesn't have telemetry. Now, the advantage it has on the 16th channel, it has RSSI value transmitting to the flight controller, which means that you can see through the channel 16, you can see the value from 0 to 99%, the value all the time on your screen while you're flying. It's very convenient, very easy, and you don't need really telemetry for those. Now, you have those antennas, very regular. You have some glue over here. I don't know if you can see, a little bit of glue that sticks them together. Usually what I do is connect the wires, and what I do after that is just a heat shrink over this, a small one, and I put the heat shrink till here. And after it's hot, I press it against like this when it's still hot, and then it protects the antenna from moving instead of from this point, from that point, which is more convenient to protect the antenna like that. Now it's really thin, it's really small, and it's one of the best prices the market has to offer. It's around between $10 to $15 all the time, usually 15, 14. Now this one has a really good signal. I use it all the time and it's pretty much doing everything great. Now, I'm gonna show you the link on the description. You're gonna have it, and afterwards we're gonna review all those products. Stay tuned. We're gonna build everything together.